A very good evening to you and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Dwayne Burbick. Fly Jamaica Airways, which has been beset by disruptions to some of its flights, has restored normality to its operations. A Fly Jamaica source told the media in Guyana that the majority of the passengers were transported to their destinations over the last 4 days, although a few were left behind. However, efforts were being made to have those remaining passengers taken to their destinations on upcoming flights. Fly Jamaica's operations were disrupted after the airline's 2 aircraft were grounded for maintenance. The move affected all of the company's operations. One of the planes resumed operations on Sunday and has been aiding in clearing the backlog. Oil prices continue to slide today and gasoline futures reached a 2-year high as Tropical Storm Harvey continued to bear down on the Texas Gulf Coast and looked set to threaten more refineries. Oil has fallen to its lowest level in more than a month amid disruptions that are keeping refineries from buying crude. U.S. crude futures settled down 13 cents at $46.44 a barrel on the New York Mercantile Exchange. Jamaica Brawlers says its Haiti operations have continued to experience exponential growth. In its just-released 2017 annual report, Jamaica Brawlers said during the operating year, it made $1 million from the operations. This was mainly due to the continued increase in sales. Egg sales accounted for most of this increase as the company invested in the expansion of layer hens for egg production on the farm. For the new financial year, Jamaica Brawlers expects continued growth in egg production and sales, with the decision to strategically distribute eggs through its own depots and distributors. Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances has released improved results for its financial year ended June 30. Net profit amounted to $82.9 million, up from $74.1 million in 2016. The company also recorded revenue of $410.6 million, which was up 13% or $48 million over last year. Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances says the continuous positive growth in net profits was driven by managing its operational expenses while growing revenue at a double-digit rate. Let's look at currency trading now, which ended today with the US dollar selling for $128.77. The Canadian dollar is selling for $104.44. The pound sterling costs $167.23, while the euro is going for $156.41. And in today's session, the JSE index advanced by 1,078 points to close at 254,648. The junior market index advanced by 3 points to close at 3,093. The main winners were Dermond Trading, Seprod, Consolidated Bakeries, General Accident Insurance, and Radio Jamaica. The losers were led by Medical Disposables and Supplies, Kingston Properties, Jamaica Producers Group, ISP Finance Services, and Barita Investments. And that's your Business Day. I'm Dwayne Burbick. Have a great evening.